had somebody come to me and say, my house is hot in other rooms and stuff. And I said to myself, hey, what's the key? It's called the trifecta rule that the doctor always talks about. You need to replace the insulation with R38 batt insulation. Owens Corning is which I always use. You need to see if you have gable vent, and then there you need to either install a smart quiet cool to offset that heat load along that ridge. And the last is a radiant barrier. A radiant barrier that will be attached inside the attic space to completely deflect all the radiant heat that comes into the attic, which actually helps that heat load inside your house to not dissipate so it stays hot. I'm an AC contractor as well as an insulation contractor. So those three, the trifecta, insulation, gable vent, fan, exhaust fan, as well as a radiant barrier inside your attic space will curb and curtail and stave off that heat load, so your living space where you use your AC, which should not be the Band-Aid, it should be just something you use occasionally, will be completely constant and consistent inside the house. That's how you take care of heat loads.